G'day guys, unfortunately I made a video about this earlier and I was a little bit wrong so I've deleted it, and unfortunately I've now reassembled the SI drive button, but these are very common to break. This one is now being fixed, right? Those two can fall out, so watch out. Now I'll just show it to you. It's all fixed. Okay, so inside it broke the shaft, right? Now, you can't just remove this from the vehicle like a normal, when you wedge a switch out. It's screwed in to the center console. So remove the center console by removing those two bolts, the handbrake cover, and unclipping carefully from here and here. And then unscrew all the bolts around here, leave the two back ones on, right? So this moves, so the cup holder drops down, and then unscrew this so it can slide out. That sits under the cup holder, so you can see there, you need that movement under there. Now, I'll just chuck this little pin back in. So, okay. See this white ring? It's a lock ring. Okay, it only goes on one way. So this is the center shaft that breaks, that shears off. Once you match it up and glue it, right? So pull the whole thing out. Once you match it up and glue it, you then have to undo this board by gently prying these clips. And basically once you undo the board, you're then exposed to these contacts here, okay? All right, you gently pry it apart. Don't worry if you break one, like damage one, or it's gonna happen. Things are old and dry. Once you get it apart, you then obviously remove that and get that clip out, and then the clip only fits one way, right? And then rotate that white clip like that so it locks the SI drive controller into place, and that's how you repair it. This has been a successful repair. And I know it has been. There's two micro switches on each side. Those are triggered by the pins that you saw, but that's just a very quick video on how to repair their SI drive. Okay, bye.